Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Northfield, local and long-distance movers near me. You need the right options to make relocating easier, and we offer packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. With our help, your move will be far smoother. We can help you with any long-distance move from 100 miles to 3,000 miles or more. It doesn't matter how large or small the move is, we can help you move your things faster and safer. Choosing to hire an Illinois moving company is a wise decision for a local move. It might not seem necessary with a shorter distance, but it's a very big job. Moving requires a ton of physical labor to pack up everything, load up the truck, and head down the road. Then, when you arrive, everything has to be unloaded and unpacked. With 3 movers helping you, all the hard work becomes easier. We streamline the process so you don't have to worry. Our team of movers will get you settled in sooner. A move that would take you all weekend to complete takes us a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Northfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.